at the venue where a national convention was called by the Samajwadi Party today. Now the things are more or less over. The chairs are being stacked up. The entire system is being dismantled. But if there's one other thing that stands dismantled today is Mulayam Singh Yadav, the man who was known as the grand old horse of the Samajwadi Party, is now going to be a patron. It's under his patronage that the Samajwadi Party is going to function. Interesting turn of events, and in fact to take us through more of that, let me quickly bring in Shiv Pujan Jha as well. If we thought that the drama was over on New Year's Eve, that clearly wasn't to happen. Yesterday you were there when outside the Samajwadi Party headquarters Shivpal Yadav announced that सांप्रदायिक शक्तियों से लड़ने के लिए हम लोग साथ में काम करेंगे. But clearly Akhilesh had other ideas.
Yeah, definitely Akhilesh seems to have another set of ideas, and it is not in consonance with his uncle. Shivpal Yadav, he has completely been relegated, and right now at the helm of affairs is Akhilesh Yadav. It remains to be seen whether he now enters into some kind of agreement with the Congress party, which he wants, because he knows that vote polarization will ultimately go in the favor of the Samajwadi Party. But before that, let's discuss a couple of other aspects. Now the ball is in the court of Mulayam Singh Yadav. What action does he take on whatever developments have taken place, the resolutions that have been passed here at this stage? Whether Akhilesh has got the desired mandate, he has got the numbers to support his claims. But I think the infighting which was brewing for almost last several months, it will refuse to subside even at this stage when this important announcement has been taken place. So let's see, there possibly would be more instances when we get to see that the family feud, it comes to the foray. Shivpal is not going to remain silent. Amar Singh is not going to remain silent. We are getting to this piece of information that Beni Prasad has already gone and is meeting Mulayam Singh Yadav as we are talking right now at this stage.
All right. So before I go across to Executive Editor Javed Ansari about Mulayam's next move, Shivpal's next move, Amar Singh who's been moved out of the Samajwadi Party, what his next move is going to be, let's tell you what yesterday was said by Shivpal Yadav, which lulled many people into believing that the family feud was over.
नेताजी के पास में मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव और हम लोग आजम भाई से लेकर के भाभी बैठे थे, तो नेताजी का मुझे आदेश मिला है कि अखिलेश यादव और श्री राम गोपाल जी को तत्काल प्रभाव से अभी बहाल किया जाता है, और सभी हम सब लोग मिलकर के सांप्रदायिक ताकतों से सब लोग मिलकर के लड़ेंगे और पुनः उत्तर प्रदेश में समाजवादी पार्टी की पूर्ण बहुमत की सरकार बनाएंगे. सब लोग बातचीत करके सब प्रत्याशी तय कर लेंगे और तय करके सब लोग मिलकर के 2017 के चुनाव में जाएंगे.
All right, that is correct. Beni Prasad Verma has just left from Mulayam Singh Yadav's residence after a meeting that lasted about half an hour. So, Javed, will there be an attempt to again try and needle Mulayam into responding in some way, even though a very emotional appeal was made to him today by Akhilesh saying, at the end of the day, pita pita hota hai?
Well, if the needling does happen, it will not happen from Beni Prasad Verma. Beni Prasad Verma, I do know, while he's one of Mulayam Singh's oldest associates, he, like many others, have been very unhappy at the turn of events, and the needling will, if it comes, will come from Amar Singh. It will come from perhaps Shivpal Yadav. But these people, I do believe, have been defanged. They don't have too much of a support base or standing left in the Samajwadi Party, so their ability to even create a nuisance has been limited to a large extent. Akhilesh Yadav is now the boss of the Samajwadi Party going forward. He is going to recast the parliamentary board. He will have his own set of his own man as the president of the state Samajwadi Party. He's going to recast all those bodies. He's demonstrated his support, and he's the one who's going to call the shots. The others can at best create a nuisance, but not for too long, I guess.
But will they want to do that when elections are around the corner? Will that not reduce their importance in the state as well if the Samajwadi Party was to lose power in the upcoming assembly elections? Javed Ansari, Shiv Pujan Jha, Brijesh Pandey, thank you very much for having joined us. Heading into a very quick break, much more on the other side.